Hello friends, this is Kids Toys Guide review for RobotZombie. Here kids review the toys for the other kids so that you can get a direct perspective about the toy right away. It's my new toy, WowWee Orange RobotZombie. Today I'm going to explain how this toy works. I just opened it. It looks good so far. It has a remote which can also be used as a gun to shoot the robot. It comes with 3 bullets and a user manual. I don't think you should need to read user manual as I am going to explain you all the features. Its best features is light up eyes and health indicator that shows what state your robot is in. This RobotZombie includes a remote control to take control of your robot's movements or battle against him when infected. Light up eyes and robotic zombie sounds. Use your zombie blaster to fire at RobotZombie and hit the weak points. The robot toy Orange RobotZombie is on a prowl, searching for new victims to infect. Use your zombie blaster to fire at the RobotZombie and hit all the weak points to blast off his arms and the cranium plate, exposing his light-up brain. Better defeat him quickly, however, otherwise the infection will spread and then it's game over. I am going to try to shoot all of his arms off. I will get all of his arms off. All of his arms off. I'll do this one more time at his other arm. So you see, I use the gun. That's the gun. So here are the arms. I knocked out the arms, and Here are the bullets.
Just after the nose.
And this guy won't be alive until will be his nose. Now I'm going to shoot off his nose.
His head is open.
Okay. I hit his nose and now part of his head is open and you can see half of his brain. Now that I hit him, his whole brain is out again. You can see. I got two. Oh. Now that I assembled, his arm is ready. Now I am going to shoot one of his parts of the body.
Yeah.
Now I will hit here. Now I will shoot his other arm off. Bingo! Now you can see his arms are out. And if one part of his head pops up, he will power down. That was Bolt. I just finished playing with this toy. Here's my review. I think this is a basic toy, but there is no hand movement. Remote is very basic and gun is just a mechanical gun. It speeds 3 AAA batteries. I like eye color, its whole body movement, and sound effects. I think this can be a good toy for 6-year-old kids and can add lots of fun and joy for playing, enjoy and have fun. Please subscribe for more videos. Happy playing from Kids Toys Guide.